Hey everyone and welcome back to the channel. Have you ever looked at a steep hill and thought, nope, not today? Or maybe you wish your commute to work was a little less sweaty and a lot more fun? Well, I might have the perfect solution for you, an electric bike, or e-bike for short. Today we're diving into the absolute basics of what e-bikes are, how they work, and why they might just be the coolest way to get around. So, what exactly is an e-bike? At its core, it's just like a regular bicycle. It has pedals, a chain, handlebars, and wheels. The magic ingredient is the electric drive system. This system includes three key components: a motor, a battery, and a controller. It's not a motorcycle or a scooter. You still have to pedal. The motor is there to give you a boost, not to do all the work for you. Think of it as having superhuman legs on demand. Let's talk about the motor. There are generally two types you'll find on e-bikes: hub motors and mid-drive motors. A hub motor is located in the center of either the front or rear wheel. They're often found on more affordable e-bikes and are great for cruising on flatter terrain. A mid-drive motor, on the other hand, is positioned in the middle of the bike, right where your pedals are. This design provides a more natural riding feel, almost like your own power is just being amplified. Mid-drives are fantastic for climbing hills because they leverage the bike's gears, just like you do. Next up, the battery. This is the e-bike's fuel tank. It's a rechargeable lithium-ion battery, similar to what you'd find in your laptop or smartphone. The capacity of the battery, measured in watt-hours, determines your range, how far you can go on a single charge. A bigger battery means more range, but it also adds weight and cost. Most e-bike batteries can be easily removed for convenient charging indoors, and a full charge typically takes a few hours. Depending on the bike, the terrain, and how much assistance you use, you can expect a range anywhere from 20 to over 100 miles. So how do you control all this power? That's where the controller and the display come in. On your handlebars, you'll usually find a small screen that shows your speed, battery level, and most importantly, your pedal assist level. E-bikes have different levels of assistance, usually from a low eco mode to a high turbo or sport mode. The higher the level, the more power the motor provides, and the faster your battery will drain. You simply use buttons to select the level of boost you want. Some e-bikes also have a throttle, which lets you move without pedaling at all, but many stick to the pedal assist system for a more bicycle-like experience. This system is called pedal assist for a reason. A sensor on the bike detects when you're pedaling and tells the motor to kick in. There are two kinds of sensors: cadence and torque. A cadence sensor just knows that you're pedaling and provides a set amount of power based on your chosen assist level. A torque sensor is a bit smarter. It measures how hard you're pushing on the pedals and matches the motor's output to your effort. The harder you pedal, the more boost you get. This creates a really intuitive and seamless ride that feels like you're just having a really good day on the bike. So, who are e-bikes for? Honestly, just about everyone. They're incredible for commuters who want to arrive at work fresh and energized. They're perfect for people who want to keep up with faster friends or family on group rides. They can help you explore further, carry heavier loads like groceries, and make cycling accessible to people with physical limitations. They flatten hills, fight headwinds, and turn every ride into an adventure. They get you outside, exercising, and reducing your carbon footprint, all while putting a huge smile on your face. That's a quick rundown of e-bike basics. They're simple, fun, and incredibly practical. If you've been on the fence about trying one, I highly recommend visiting a local bike shop and taking one for a test ride. It's the best way to feel the magic for yourself. Have any questions about e-bikes? Drop them in the comments below. I'd love to help you out. Thanks so much for watching. And if you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content. We'll see you on the next one.